Hey, what's up guys, this is Sarvesh from Eject back with another video. Ever wanted to get this digital crown water eject feature on your iPhone? If yes, then this is the video for you. So without any further ado, let's get started. So to get that water eject feature on your iPhone, you will need two things. First is this shortcuts app, and the second one is this app which is named as Sonic. The link for both the apps will be given in the description box below. The first method is the shortcuts method. So open up shortcuts, and the link for this water eject shortcut will be also given in the description box below. After installing the shortcut, just tap on this shortcut and tap on begin water ejection. It will play this sound and eject all the water from visible ports and speakers, and it will give you this notification. The second method is this Sonic app, and after installing this app, just tap on play. Again, this also will play a frequency of 440 Hz sound, and it will eject the water from all the speakers and the earpiece. This does not have a timer, so you will have to stop it manually, unlike the first one. So guys, that's pretty much it in today's video. If you like this video, then give this video a huge thumbs up and share this video with your friends so they can also try this with their iPhone. Thanks a lot for watching this video. I will see you guys in the next one.